Hello friends, in this video we will see how you can manage user access through I.D.M.A.S. For that, what you need to do is in the main window, in the main menu option, you need to click on this button which says Manage User Access. Once you click on Manage User Access, another form opens up wherein on the top you will see the different users you have currently added, employees in your company, in your office, and below that it will give you the list of all the permissions that this individual has. Name 1 has access to all the different privileges, so you will see check boxes over here, but name 2 is yet not given any permission. So depending on what access you want to give to this person, say for example if this person is only going to raise expenses, then you need to give the person only this access, expense database access, so that this person can add expenses or whatever spendings are done. Similarly, if another user or this user also needs to be given access to payments database, this person can add the payments that you receive. Similarly, client, vendor, employee, if you give anyone the access to employee database, this person will be able to add, edit and delete users also. So let's go ahead and give this person expense database access and also give this individual employee database access. Once you do this, what you need to do is you need to click on this button which says update. Click on update and it asks you, are you sure you want to continue? Click yes. Once you click yes, employee access provided, new permissions will reflect once the employee logs in again. So basically if new user or the name 2 person is added, or if that person is already logged in, the changes will not take effect right away, but then after the next login, when this individual tries to log in again, that time this person will have the new permissions reflecting. However, all the changes are there recorded now on the main data file. So name 1 as usual has all permissions, but if you click name 2, you will see the 2 permissions that were given, employee database and expense database. Now let's click back home and go to the main menu. In the next video we will talk about, or we will go through the different analysis options you got